Let's solve this together. It says x plus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 5. We're required to solve for the value of x and y in this question. Okay. Now the first thing we can do here is to say that let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2 so that we can say from 2 that y is equal to 5 over x. Replacing y with 5 over x in equation 1, we have x plus y, which now becomes 5 over x, to be equal to 5. Multiplying each number here by x, we have x times x is x squared, plus 5 over x times x is 5, is equal to 5 times x is 5x. X squared now minus 5x plus 5 equals 0. Okay, this is now a quadratic equation that we can solve using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula states that x here should be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Where our a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So our x here will now be equal to, coefficient of x is minus 5. Minus times minus 5 is 5, plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times a times c, so this is c and this is a. So minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, times 5 is minus 20, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. Our x can be equal to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 20 is 5, so we have root of 5 divided by 2, so that our x is equal to 5 plus root 5 over 2, or 5 minus root 5 all over 2. Okay, so these are the values for our x. Now let's go ahead and solve for y. But remember that our x, okay, or our y is equal to 5 over x. Okay, so if we substitute 5 over x, if we substitute x as this or this, we'll get the value of y. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. Now, say we pick the first value for y. The first value for y, for x is 5 plus root 5 over 2. So we now have that our y will be equal to 5 divided by 5 plus root of 5 over 2. So now this will be equal to 5, you invert and multiply. So we have multiplied by 2 divided by what? 5 plus root of 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 10 divided by 5 plus root of 5. Now, if you look at this closely, you're seeing you have roots in the denominator. Having roots in the denominator means that we should want to make this fraction in such a way that we eliminate the roots in the denominator so that to become more rational. Okay, so in order to do that, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugates of the denominator. So the conjugate of the denominator is 5 minus root of 5. We'll go ahead and multiply this and this by 5 minus root of 5. Okay, so moving on from here, we now have that our y, which is our first answer for y, is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 minus root 5 divided by 5 squared, because this is the difference of 2 squares. Okay, so this is, let's call 5a and root 5b. So this is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, and this reminds us of the difference of 2 squares, right? So this will now become equal to 5 squared minus root of 5 squared. This is now equal to 10 multiplied by 5 minus root of 5 divided by 5 squared is 25 minus root of 5 squared is 5. Alright, so this is now equal to 25 minus 5 is 20. Okay, so this is equal to 20. So we can write that this is equal to 20 like this. Now, 10 into 20 will give us 2. So we now have that this is equal to 5 minus root of 5 divided by 2. It's our y1. While our x1 was what? So the x that gave us this y is equal to 5 plus root of 5 divided by 2. So can you notice a pattern between these two things? If you look here, we had 5 plus root, sorry, 5 minus root of 5 divided by 2, and here we have 5 plus root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so x being 5 plus root of 5 divided by 2 give us 5 minus root of 5 divided by 2 as y. So invariably means that when we have our y2 should now be equal to 5 plus root of 5 divided by 2, and our x2 will now be equal to 5 minus root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the final answers for x and y in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.